What if I told you the best veggie stir-fry doesn't even need a pan? Grab your favorite veggies, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, whatever you've got. Chop them into bite-sized pieces and toss them into a microwave-safe bowl. Drizzle with a little oil, soy sauce, and a pinch of garlic powder. Cover the bowl with a microwave-safe lid or plate, leaving a small gap for steam. Nuke it for 2 minutes, give it a quick stir, then microwave another 1 to 2 minutes until tender crisp. Top with sesame seeds or chili flakes and boom, restaurant-quality stir-fry in minutes, no stove required. What's your go-to quick meal? Drop it in the comments.